This is Cyndy with Cyndy G SVG. In this video tutorial, we're assembling the Travel Scotland box card. So I'm going to start this by assembling the front and back of the card. And I'm going to line up this piece just right up to the score line, up to it. And I think that I want to add just a little bit of shading. So I'm going to ink my ink pad. I'm just going to use what's on my dauber. Just kind of give it some shadowing. There. And then I'm just going to glue this in place. Okay. I did not line that up very well. Do a better job than I just did. I'm going to apply this to the back. That's my film strip for the sentiment. Then we have the front. I'm going to pop this. You just want to center that. And for this one, we have a thistle. Just going to put glue there right on the center. I think that I want to pop this, but I just need part of one of my foam squares. There we go. And then we're just going to set this aside. Okay. Then we've got Nessie. So that one's really quick and easy to put together, this layer. This layer does have some little pieces. So we have our kilt. My fingers are getting sticky from glue. So I'm going to put the belt on first. You'll just watch these edges that they slant the correct way. They are on a slant. Okay. And then put the pouch together. A fine tip glue bottle will come in handy with this piece. Okay, and now the one with all the pieces here. You can leave off these little detail pieces if you prefer. I'm just going to hit these white edges with so all these little pieces here are the pieces for the brass fittings here on the bagpipe. I think if you put these main pieces on, you could get away with not doing the rest of them if you wanted. I don't know what that goes to. Looks like I might have cut them out twice. I'm looking to see if I have my pickup stick. Some of these pieces don't go here. I don't know what some of these are. Or I'm wrong, and they do. I took off the tip of my pickup stick. Okay. So, I mean, it's not super hard, especially if you have a pickup stick that you can use, or tweezers would work. And they seem to go on pretty quickly. Now, this last one, like I said, I don't know what those two go to. They must have been like the inside of something that I... Okay. And then to make it look like it went behind, I'm going to put this one. Right there. Okay. And then if you want them, there's different color, a separate color for the tassels. Since I cut them, I'm going to use them. I wanted to make sure they cut nicely. So there's our bagpipe. This is another place that your fine tip glue bottle is going to come in handy. We're just going to put that right in place. And then put the kilt on top. I'm going to pop it up. Okay. I'll fold the score lines and then pull in the back. The back is curling. You may want to dry this under, like even under your mat while you work on the rest of the card. Give that a chance to dry flat. So we're going to put our glue just on one tab, slide that in. Okay. Wait for it to grab a hold. I think it's just that this piece is heavy. There we go. Now put our Loch Ness here in front of that. There we are. Put glue on the tabs. Then we're going to put glue here on this tab. Close it up. Fold it both ways. And then there is our Travel Scotland box card. Thank you for joining me.